This video provides information on the work search requirements for those receiving reemployment assistance benefits. Reemployment assistance is just Florida's way of saying unemployment compensation. Reemployment assistance claimants are required to complete either 5 work search contacts or 1 CareerSource service appointment each week. Claimants living in counties with a population of less than 75,000 are only required to complete 3 work search contacts or 1 CareerSource service appointment each week. To determine the number of work searches required in the county you live in, go to the website linked in the description of this video. Valid work searches include applying for a job, including through Employ Florida, submitting a resume to an employer, attending a job fair, interviewing for a new job, phoning employers to arrange for a job interview, and creating a profile on a professional networking site such as LinkedIn. Other search options may count towards your weekly requirements. If in doubt, contact DEO. You can also attend a career service appointment with CareerSource, where you might take a skills assessment or workshop or get job referrals and follow up on them. You can find your local CareerSource service center by visiting the link in the description below this video. Be sure to keep track of your searches, including this information: the date you contacted the potential employer, for example, the date you applied for a job, how you contacted them, in person, online, email. If you contacted them in person, please note the name of the business, the complete physical address, and a telephone number. If you contacted them online, note the website address you visited. If you contacted them by email, note this and be prepared to provide the Department of Economic Opportunity with a copy of the email you sent or received verifying your search. Keep track of the results of your search and the field or industry you look for work in, such as construction. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.